Get ready with me as I clean my kitchen. Come on, let's go. Let's get these dishes done, clean. Get these them dried, put away. And get these plates put away. Get the utensils put away, dried and put away. Now my least favorite, stove cleaning. Get deep in these grooves here to get this grease out. Make sure it's good and clean. Don't rinse the sink out since I'm all done with the dishes. Wipe these counters down, these greasy counters. And let's go in here and get this refrigerator wiped down. And make sure you get these clean towels, kitchen towels together. My favorites here. Get those together. And let's get this rug vacuumed up and hit these corners, get this dust out, put that away. Get these floors mopped and clean. Hit them spots. Get grease off of there. Get them good. Get these towels straightened out. Put the pot holders away. Got that done. All right. Get the new pot holder and then get the paper towels replaced. All righty. And then after that, we're gonna get the coffee together for tomorrow, Monday. So get that straightened out. Get the coffee refilled. Get my cup ready. Go ahead and pop my little McDonald's in there. Get the water filled in the coffee pot. Get the sugar and my favorite sugar holder. And the kitchen is clean. It's done for the weekend to start Monday. So thank you for tuning in and have a blessed day, everybody. I'm going to